It's her birthday, oh she's the one, lighting up the night like the midnight sun. Can't come halfway, no not today, for this queen on the throne we all
Greetings! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hello everyone! Hello Sisiko Natashi! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come and God bless. Ingat ka palagi. Love you, Sisikoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lalabs na Sheng. More birthdays to come. Stay safe and healthy always. Stay pretty. Stay humble. Alam ko namang nasa iyo ng lahat. Thank you for inviting me. Kapag may mga activities kayo, may mga mansari, gano'n, birthdays. Thank you so much. Di mo ako nakakalimutan. Hindi ka rin namin kinakalimutan. Andito lang kami, always nakasupport sa iyo. I wish you all the best. Hindi ko na siya pahahabain. Ayan, nabulol na. Happy birthday again. I love you, Lalabs. Ayan, ingat ka palagi. God bless and more blessings to come. I love you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ko!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami ng birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Ayun, ready na. Hello everybody! Hello, magandang gabi sa ating lahat na nandirito. At tayo'y makikiselebrate sa ating pinakamamahal na tashi ngayon. Ang kanyang kaarawan. Ayun, babati mo na ako. Happy birthday tashing namin. Stay pretty, stay beautiful. At naway lagi kang masaya. Yun. And good health especially. Kasama na yung mga, yung mahal mo sa buhay. Anak mo, mama mo, papa mo. Ayun. At pasyensya na at hindi ako laging nag-SM na. Ang ating Lujan mo ay bihira na lang. Nak Miles and Nak Mahal, pagaling ka din. Yun, salamat sa unawa ang aking wawens dyan, ang aking mga amigas. Yun, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Yan, kahit na minsan na lang akong magparamdam. Thank you so much. Ayun, happy birthday once again, Brats, Bugs! Yun, sabi ko, Amiga, Wingay, Itay, at lahat ng core team nandyan, at lahat na nandirito. Love, 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 love!
Hello! Ngayong araw mo. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lalabs to Sheng. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na nandito kaming lahat ng KL, ng core group para sa'yo. At stay pretty and sweet. Ano ba mawiwish ko sa'yo? Siguro good health and success. Pati na rin yung love life. Sana maging successful na yung love life mo. Lalabs to Sheng. Alam mo na nandito lang kami para sa'yo. And we all love you, okay? Happy birthday ulit. Mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday! I hope to see you soon. God bless everything you do. Ingat ka!
Have a great day!
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happiest birthday, Tashing! Ayan. Dapat maging masaya. Kahit may mga times na medyo malungkot. Pero carry pa rin yan. Ikaw pa. Ganda-ganda mo kaya. Kaya huwag mo na intindihin yung mga bagay na hindi dapat intindihin. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Basta, andito lang kami. Alam mo naman, ang mga core. At syempre, ang itay-itayan mo, nandito. Walang problema kung may mga gusot-gusot na ganyan. Kaya nating isolve yan. Huwag lang datong. Ayun, wala tayo nun. Anyways, enjoy ka lang. Enjoy. More blessings to come. At syempre, kung may love life, ay di tama lang. mga dapat enjoy, hindi toxic, mga ganun. Yun lang, simpleng advice lang. Smile, be happy, at syempre health conscious tayo dapat. Okay? Happy birthday, Tashing.
Hi there, Tashing! Happy birthday! Just a short message para sa'yo. Happy birthday! More blessings to you. More blessings to come to your family, to you, and all that your heart desire be granted. I love you, Tashing. Happy birthday. Sorry, wala akong ligo. May trabaho kasi. Love you, Core. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, partner. May you have more birthdays to come, and sana lahat ng wishes mo matupad. Nandito lang kami mga kaibigan mo from the TRL, Kisses, Brats, Warriors, yan sa lahat ng ginagalawan mo. Huwag kang mag-alala, hindi ka nag-iisa. Mahal ka namin, marami kang kaibigan. Ang jowa napapalitan, ang kaibigan hindi. Ang jowa nangiiwan, ang kaibigan hindi. Ayun, more birthdays to come, and best of health, more blessings, and more kagandahan pa. Keep it up, partner. Ingat ka lagi. We love you.
God bless you. May have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
Happy birthday.